Clearing your search history on FuboTV can help maintain your privacy and improve your viewing experience. Follow these simple steps to remove your search history. Step 1. Open FuboTV app. Launch the FuboTV app on your device. Make sure you are logged into your account to access the settings. Step 2. Navigate to Settings. Locate the Settings menu, usually represented by a gear icon or found in your Profile section. Click on it to access various options. Step 3. Find Privacy or Account Settings. Within the Settings menu, look for a section labeled Privacy or Account Settings. This is where you can manage your search history and other personal data. Step 4. Clear search history. In the Privacy or Account Settings, find the option to clear your search history. Click on it and confirm your choice to remove all previous searches. Step 5. Restart the app. After clearing your search history, close the FuboTV app completely and then reopen it. This ensures that the changes take effect and your search history is cleared. By following these steps, you can easily manage your search history on FuboTV. Enjoy a more personalized viewing experience.